17th anniversary. Let's get it.
Lo Life BBQ 2022, nigga, we live.
Y'all know it. ULL SaLLute.
All we do is rock those symbols out here. It ain't about this, it ain't about shit. It's either low life or no life. It ain't about that life, fuck your life. You know it. You know it. Your father was low babies in the building. You already know what it is. Low babies, we chilling. Dark on the one, doing this one.
The Polo Godfather.
Look at him. Don't fuck with the gun. I got video.
It's like Castro circling. Low Life Safari Edition. After I finish eating, I wash low dishes in the kitchen. Polo cologne, lingerie for my low life. Wish you get home, cardigan, rugby, tricolor, cross flags and horses. Roses and tissue corking, skin have me bleeding full. You die if you switch like Sandy the Bull. Polo, head.com. Got 2 romances, one in Garvey and one on St. John's. Throw them L's up. Get them L's up. Get them L's up, yo. Now let me hear you say low lives. Come on. Low lives. Now let me hear you say low lives. Come on. Low lives. All we do is rock low symbols. All we do is rock low symbols. All we do is rock low symbols. I make crazy. England, Connecticut, Philly. 100 new guys we boost them Philly.
When you stand as a man, I could care less by your belief of color. Instead of eating right and getting healthy, we rather take selfies and get wealthy. GMOs, Monsanto clones and cell seeds, mass shootings, geo-engineered storms and mass confusion, class rulings, tax humans, depopulate, vaccinate. We know what they ass doing. Rigged elections, big pharma and media deception. The people starving, so here's the food cause they hungry.
L's in the sky, wave them up high, put your L's in the sky. Wave them up high, put your L's in the sky. Wave them up high, let me hit that drum if you say you got 5 for the low. Low, low, let me hear you say low. Low, low, everybody say low. Low, 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 L's in the sky. Wave them up high, let me hit that drum if you say you got 5 for the low. Low, low, everybody say low. Who gives a what you did, I didn't do my pen and bruise plentiful. Here's a dinner full of metaphors, spitting for more than centerfold. In the post, not a render foe, store the froze, leave your squad exposed, snacks is toast, toe to toe. Lyrical flows from the dojo of this Miami fam. Rocking the mode lows, watch
live a little, learn a little, write a little, absorb some jewels, then recite a little state of mind my head is in. God in the flesh and the proof in my melanin, wisdom straight, beauty performing one civilized duty, and drop it on your dome piece, either that or clap you with the crow piece. Now that would be quite uneventful, resentful, trying to disregard the jewels God sent you. Came through, spoke up pace, we broke up beats, rhymes got rolled up sheets, treat tracks like I had on cleats, just be running shit, Juniali funky drumming shit. Yeah, I came through, smoke up pigs, we broke up beats, rhymes got rolled up sheets, treat tracks like I had on cleats, just be running, Juniali funky, yo, I manifest self in the physical, connected to my spiritual strength, my lips span across the universe, return to the essence when I disperse, and nothing I regret it, value your energy while it's still kinetic, remember God said it, did it and done it, ran it and run it, Sipsy and blunted, never been defeated, nobody won it, and anybody can get it, I got down and goddamn, yeah, I got with it, I talk it and live it, I give it, receive it and give it, reverse on the pivot, these fake MCs will make me live it.
You already know. Look at me, can't you see? I'm already lying. Yeah, you know we gotta get the SJP OG corner. You know what I mean? Always representing, always down. What is that? Looking like a Mexican drug dealer. You know what I'm saying? Word up. But dollar, OG. That's what it is. Look, the sombrero. Wait, what Nas said? Well, look at that. Start on it.
I'm out here, Lo Life BBQ. Yo, rest in peace to Boost and Billy and all my Lo Life brothers that didn't make it. Yo, we out here, Lo Life BBQ.